Hello everyone, I am Nayan Jyoti Patowary and a forever proud. Today I am going to share with you the benefits of forever fiber. Guys, forever fiber has many benefits. For example, it greatly improves the digestive system, completely eliminating the problem of constipation. Additionally guys, the chances of life-threatening diseases such as heart problems, cancer, stroke, and diabetes are greatly reduced. And guys, it also helps in reducing blood sugar levels in our bodies. It reduces cholesterol. Additionally guys, it's a gluten-free fiber that reduces the absorption of carbohydrates and fats in the body, preventing weight gain. So guys, if you wanted to maintain your weight and want to take fiber, then forever fiber is the best choice. Additionally guys, forever fiber also greatly reduces our habit of overeating because it reduces cravings completely. You must have seen guys that when we eat, many times we crave something sweet after eating. Sometimes we feel like eating something spicy. So guys, when you consume this, you will see that your cravings completely disappear, which prevents your weight from increasing. So it also helps a lot in weight management. And guys, if you use it properly, if you consume it continuously, then you will see that your body's fiber requirement is fulfilled, which makes your immune system also very strong. Guys, forever fiber helps a lot in growing good bacteria in our body, which makes our digestive system very good. So forever fiber comes in very small pouches. In one packet of forever fiber, there are about 30 small packets of forever fiber, which you can use according to your daily requirement every day. And if you want to consume it, guys, I would like to tell you that you should use it at mealtime or mix it with beverages, or if you drink aloe vera gel, you can mix in it and drink it. It has a very mild taste guys, and one forever fiber pouch is equivalent to eating 1.5 cups of rice. So you can understand how much fiber you can consume from one pouch. So if you wanted to try the forever fiber directly from Forever without any intervention, you can click on the link provided in the description so that you receive 100% original products in Forever's packaging. If you wish to consult with me, my contact information is provided in my description below. I wanted to caution you that don't ever buy from any e-commerce websites like Amazon or Flipkart, as you may receive duplicate or near expired products and you won't be able to claim them from Forever as it goes against Forever policies. If you like this video and found the information valuable, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, take care and I will see you in my next video.